Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As you know that I have finished this chapter, right? We have finished this chapter, completed this chapter, and I have told you to prepare a summary or to just revise this chapter, read it by your own, and prepare a summary. And you have to find out the word meanings also, right? So may you have completed that. Now I just want to tell you, today we'll take a recap of this chapter, and later on we'll finish the exercises of this chapter. Okay. So in talkative Wawa, what we have seen that how uh, when Sultan was there and his wife was really good in storytelling, and she used to tell Arabic stories, right? And in one of those, she told about the Arabian Nights story, that is about the talkative Baba, है ना? We have seen that how this barber was really talkative and he was talking nonsense, which has no basic things, no concern to Sultan also, and he was continuously telling this story about his brother whose name was Bagpan, Bagbuya, Bakbag, Ulnashi, Sakabak, and one more was there, no, Ulkur. So these were the name of his own brothers, whom he considered that they were more talkative than him. Think about, he was too talkative and his brothers were more talkative than him. The patience level of the person will blast. I think it will blast, surely it will. So how the sultan got irritated by his own nonsense speaking, and he offered him 3 coins that please go away or just shave my head without telling a word. But he was like, he had no control on his mouth or the nonsense talking, and he just continuously talking instead of taking that means after taking that coins also he then stopped, and he was continuously talking, telling nonsense things to Sultan. And even after what happened, after when the sultan got angry, then also he was like continuously telling about the things, and he told why you are in so hurry, he asked, and he told that I will advise you, I will give you some suggestions that will be very helpful to you, so please share it to me. And sultan thought that after telling this, why I'm in hurry, after telling this he will get calm, or he get satisfied and he won't ask anything. But what happened, after that also he didn't stopped, and he continuously asked, and after that he told that okay fine, just give me some food also, because today I have offered a party for my friends also, and I haven't prepared anything, so please help me with the dishes. Then sultan also agreed, because he would have done anything just to get rid of him, है ना? उससे छुटकारा पाने के लिए he would have done anything. So he just gave all the things, instead of that means along with that food he has given some fruits for dessert also. The sultan stamped his feet impatiently when the talkative barber examined the food, and he neglected shaving the head of this sultan. Then Sultan stamped his feet impatiently, but the barber did not hurry at length. However, he again took up the razor, but after a few minutes of work, stopped suddenly and cried, I never knew that you were so generous. Okay, so now what the barber told, that you are so generous, you are so generous. It means he appreciated that you gave me coins also, you gave me food, and whatever I needed, you just gave me. So that's why he told that you are so kind, you are so generous. Okay, so this is all about the chapter and the recap we have taken. Now we'll move to the exercise part of this chapter. So, how many brothers did the Babus have? Please reply this answer in the comment section. Okay, it is very easy, and I have given an assignment also. So please just recap it. How many brothers did the Babu have? Reply it. Why was Sultan in a hurry? Reply it. Why was Sultan was in hurry? Okay. Why did the barber take so long to shave the Sultan? Why barber takes so long to shave a sultan head? Why? So please you can give the answer because it is very easy, very easy. Even the true false also you can give. Okay, so the barber was shaving sultan's beard, I know. So the barber was shaving sultan's beard. Just tell me whether it is true or false. The sultan gave him 3 gold coins. Whether it is this true or false, just give the answer. The barber refused to leave the sultan's palace. So refused means वो मना कर दिया था palace से जाने से. Just give me the answer, true or false. There were 7 brothers all together in Sultan's family. Just give your right answer, correct answer, because in the first question, how many brothers did Baburs have? If you know that answer, then your true false answer, the fourth true false answer, will be the correct one. Okay. Now here it is given: a lion emerged from his lair. Uh, layer for a short summer cut to his hair, but the barber he wept while his customers slept as they waited their turn in the chair. Means what happened? The barber was so lazy to cut the hair that his customers came there and they sit in the chair itself. So it is also a kind of a poem, or we can say the quote, where once a lion had gone to a barber shop. Their barber was really slow, and while waiting for their turn, the customers get sleep in the chair. Okay, let's talk. Why did the Baba want a lot of food? Why did the Baba want a lot of food? Because he told that in the evening he had invited some of the friends to have some food, which the Baba have not prepared, and that's why he told that I want the food. Did the Sultan enjoy the barber's talk? Why do you say so? If your answer is no, then please tell me why you think Sultan was not enjoyed barber's talk. Which part of the story did you find the funniest? Obviously, this only you can answer. आपको कौन सा part funny लगा? Just tell me that, okay? I'll wait for the answer in the comment section. What are the things the Sultan gave to the barber? Sultan ने barber को क्या क्या दिया था? 3 gold coins, food, and means the food which was prepared for the feast, and at last he had given fruits also. Do you think the Sultan was really very generous? And why do you say so? Do you think Sultan was generous, kind person? If your answer is no, tell me the reason why you think so. Okay? तो 2-3 answers और true false answer वो आपको ही देना है, ठीक है? All the best to all. Now study the word in the first column and see the changes in them in the second column. The words in column second are the opposites of the word in column first. Okay, column first important, and it is the opposite. Unimportant is the opposite of important. मतलब important means महत्वपूर्ण, unimportant means जो महत्वपूर्ण नहीं है, ठीक है? Patient, impatient. Pleasure, displeasure. Means here you can see you already studied about suffix and prefix, right? So these are the prefix. These are the prefix while adding un, im, and dis. This prefix when we will add, so sometimes it just to change the meaning, and they are the opposites of their original form. जैसे बिलीव में आप क्या ऐड करोगे? अन, इम, डिस, ये सारा चीज़ मैंने करवाया, तो आई वॉन्ट द आंसर्स फ्रॉम यू ओनली. Shaved, even you can answer this in the comment section or in the group also. Perfect, satisfy, polite, respect, pure. You just have to add, you have to choose whether you will add un, im, or dis. after adding this un, im and this to this following words, you will be able to find their opposites. Okay, if you have doubt, you can ask me also. Expected and obedient is also there. Okay. Fill in the blanks by adding un, im, this. Now again you have to choose it. Okay. तो tidy में आप क्या करोगे? तो untidy, patient में impatient, kind का unkind, like का dislike, able का unable, appear का disappear और possible का impossible. Okay. Now just you have to use this word in the blanks. The teacher got upset with Rani because her work was untidy. Okay. The dog was dashed to climb the tree to chase the cat. The dog was impatient. The dog was impatient. Okay. I dash hot milk. I like it cold. Okay. I think I dislike hot milk. I like it cold. It is dash to cross the road during peak traffic hours. Okay, it is unable to cross the road during peak traffic hours. The magician waved his magic wand and made the rabbit, what you will say, made the rabbit disappear. This passenger became dash when train was late again. The passenger became impatient when the train was late again. अच्छा, उसमें unkind होगा, ठीक है, सेकंड में unkind हो जाएगा. Okay. Okay, the last one is it is very dash to make fun of another person's weakness. So sorry, but I think यहाँ पर भी um, um, इसका तो अनकाइंड ही होगा. इम्पॉसिबल. ओ, द डॉग वॉज इम्पॉसिबल टू क्लाइंब द ट्री टू चेज द कैट. सॉरी. ओके, द पैसेंजर बिकेम इम्पेशेंट एंड इट इज़ वेरी अनकाइंड टू मेक फन ऑफ अदर. और बाकी सारा सही है. ओके, notice the highlighted word in the sentences given below. You ordered me to come, so I will not. You have heard about the conjunctions, the joining word, है ना? The joining word which joins word, group of words or a sentence, है ना? Conjunctions does the work of this, like. तो आपको यहाँ पे कुछ blanks दिए हुए and you have to place some of the word which is given as a help box, or you can say for the help, if, or, till, where, unless, so, while. So these are some joining words. You have to use this word in the blanks and you have to join this two sentences. Okay, please wait with me. Dash the verse arrives. So what joining word will you use for the first one? Please wait with me till the bus arrives. Okay. Do you like football or cricket? Do you like football or cricket? My father packed my lunch and my mother combed my hair. What the joining word will you will use? My father packed my lunch dash my mother combed my hair. I think where my mother combed my hair. My father packed my lunch where my mother combed my hair. We will reach on time dash we go by the car. Where we will reach on time if we go by the car. Your speech cannot be heard by the audience dash you use a powerful mic. Unless you use a powerful mic. Unless होगा इसका, ठीक है. It was a beautiful day dash they decided to go for a picnic. It was a beautiful day, so they decided to go for a picnic. We went to the zoo dash we saw many animals. We went to the zoo while we saw many animals. I think while वाला थोड़ा mistake हो रहा है क्या? No, it is correct. When we went to the zoo while we saw many animals. Okay. Now look at the words in the bubbles. ये जो bubbles में दिया हुआ words, you have to use this words for the following words. Okay, feast में आप क्या क्या करते हो, what you eat or what you do when there is feast. तो आप feast के टाइम पे क्या करते हो? तो please give the answer from the bubbles. I won't help you in this. feast means खाना वाना खाने जब जाते हो कहीं पर किसी पार्टीज वगैरह में, तो what you do. रेस जब होता है देन व्हाट यू डू. क्रिकेट मैच होता है तब क्या करते हो. सिनेमा में हॉल में जाते हो तब क्या करते हो, या सिनेमा देखते हो तो क्या करते हो, या फेयर. फेयर का मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. फेयर का मतलब जब आप जस्टिफाइड हो. ओके, मीन्स आप झूठ नहीं बोल रहे हो किसी चीज़ के लिए, तो आप फेयर हो तो आप क्या करते हो. ठीक है. How does your father uncle shave his face every day? He lathers his face with shaving cream, then he uses his razor, he runs it over his face in even strokes. After this, he washes his face and wipes it to get rid of the lather. है ना. तो ऐसे शेविंग किया जाता है ना. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी that how you will send a letter or an email to someone, and how to make a salad. ये चीज़ we can discuss in the class also. Okay, so this is all about the we have seen the exercises part, right, of this chapter, the talkative Baba. I will suggest you to complete this everything in your book. Okay, and I want you to reply all the answers in the comment section, and please complete your book and textbook and prepare a summary, and we'll discuss this like how to write a letter, or means how to send a letter, what are the process. It is talking about the process, what are the process we have to go through to send an email, and while making a salad, what are the process we just go through to make a salad. तो ये सारी चीज़ we have to discuss. Okay, so two things I you can ask about the suffixes also, and I can help you. The feast वाला आपको ये बताना है कि आप feast रहता है तो क्या क्या करते हो, ये what are the process you do. फिर फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स मैंने तो कंप्लीट ही कर दिया है. एंड येस, द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स यू हैव टू गिव द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स answer in the comment section. So this is all about the today, and we have finished this chapter also, and I think tomorrow again I'm gonna go with Marigold book. Okay, so guys, have a nice day to all, and bye everyone.